Hard times prepare you, not punish you. If you look at those successful people, when they are telling you their history, they struggle a lot in their previous life. When God wants you to be on another level, you can struggle a lot at that time. You don't have money to buy food, you don't have money to pay school fees for your kids. God wants you to sit down and think again about a new business idea. God knows that if He continues giving you money on your small business, you can stay for many years on your business because you are being comfortable with that small money. You are being content with that small money. But if you struggle a lot, you can rethink again with a new business idea. That's why you see other people, they are very successful in their business. It's not about it was easy. It was not easy. They are going to bed without eating anything. So sometimes you have to be strong when you are going through a lot in life. You don't have enough money. There is something is coming in your life. God knows that if maybe they are not firing you at your job, you are not going to quit that job or to find another job that pays you a good salary. So when they fire you, they say maybe there is no job on you. You have to sit down and rethink again to write the new CVs again.